Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set gesture navigation and guys how can you remove your this three button layout in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to set your guys gesture navigation, so as you can set, and guys how to use, how can you set, and guys how can you remove this button layout guys. Three setting guys in this video guys I am going to show you. So friends, now let's see how to remove, how to set, how to use. So then first of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. Then as you can see your system setting, tap here, and guys third one gesture, tap here. System navigation, tap here, and guys you can see this gesture navigation, so guys you will click here. Then guys you can see this button layout will remove, and guys you can use your gesture navigation this both side guys, back. You want to back, so guys you can back from here, and guys close app. So you can use your gesture navigation guys in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set gesture navigation, how to use, how to remove button layout. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. But before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.